Hello everybody, I'm just going to start working on this control board, and this is from an oven, looks like from a Whirlpool control board. Part number is W10317343 revision C, and I tested all the components. The only issue that we have here is this relay, and I'm going to replace it right away. I'll show you how I do it. There's a couple of fingers here that I'm trying to pull away, and that way I can remove this controller. I think that's all. Oh, there's two more to go. One, and it should come out already. Almost. Okay, so all the components here are no problem. The only issue here, as you can see, is this relay. I'm just gonna take it out. And I got two new relays, same exact part number. I'm going to swap it right away, and it should be all good to go, and then I can send it off to the customer. As you can see, I'm just removing the solder. The easier way to do it is to put flaps first on the component, and then you want to remove the solder. So it should come out now. Let's see. Yeah, you can see one more leg. It's a little bit stuck here. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more heat, and no. Let's see now. It should come out by now. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little. Let's see. This side came out. Okay, I got it. So this is the bed relay. Just gonna put it aside. Now I'm gonna clean it here with some alcohol. use a new brush right here. You want to make sure you clean it really nice. You can wipe it after. Now I'm just going to put the new relay in place, like so. It's not in all the way, but there you go. Same thing, I'm gonna put some flux on it, and now we're gonna seal it. Where's my solder wire? Right here. Now let's get it done. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some alcohol again, clean it off real good. Just test and check if there's no cracks. Everything looks good. Relay installed. That's it. It's all good to go, guys. I'm just gonna put it back in the case, like so. Boom. And that's how you fix an oven control board. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you for watching, and you can subscribe. Take care.